back again. I had to change the batteries, so I've had to kind of go in a couple of times with grout here to re-grout. If I see another potential hole there that will need to be filled in. So anyway, a lot of work, and as I've been wont to say, don't ask me to do this again, but I am actually on the 9th mosaic drawing combo of the goal of creating 10 of them, which I set back in 2001 when the Young Man with the Star of David armband in the Warsaw Ghetto was exhibited at the Fry Art Museum in Seattle. That's it right there, covered. And the staff liked it so much, along with the other large work that was exhibited, 4x8 foot Show of Dreams Under the Wings 42. I decided to set a goal of 10 mosaic drawing combos. This is the 9th. So moving along, and it's only 16 years later. So I think that's going to be cool once it's all grout cleaned. Alrighty, that's it for now. Bon nuit.